Hi there and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. As you can see, I'm standing here outside my front porch that I'm going to clean out and decorate for fall. I have these 3 hideous waste containers and unfortunately I have to live with them. I'm still thinking of a way to cover them up or maybe put them in my backyard. As you can see, I still have some summer flowers out. Some of them are on the verge of dying, but I will sort that out soon. And I have this pallet wood here that I use to decorate. And for now, I didn't do that much with it, but I will do a little more for fall. So yeah, this is the space that I'm going to decorate. And unfortunately, I didn't buy as much pumpkins as I would like to have bought, but yeah, let's see what I do with the space. And this is how it turned out. I am not completely satisfied because I didn't have as much pumpkins as I would like to have, but yeah, I had to do with what I have. So I think it's still pretty cute. So yeah, I will let you enjoy the rest of this video. If you like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the description box below what you think. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And if you're new to my channel, then I would love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and join me on my journey. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Have a very blessed day and I hope to see you again in my next video really soon. Bye!